Hi everybody, it's Keith with Bob CNC, and as always I am right next to my best friend Robert.
And I am pretty close to my best friend Keith.
Yeah, don't get close. We're going to talk about P today.
Okay, a bunch of P's.
Yeah.
You came up with it because you're marketing. You
Yes.
came up with a bunch of P's.
Yeah, but I don't remember them.
Okay.
So I'm depending on the engineer.
Okay.
Who keeps track of all this
All
stuff.
right. Well, I'll give you the shot.
Well, the whole thing about these P's,
Yeah.
and that's pro.
The P's of business.
Yes.
We're gonna write a book.
Oh my God.
This is gonna be great.
Yeah.
So let's start with one of them.
We
Let's
are
start
really
off-
good in our own imagination.
That's
You know
about
that.
all we
Okay,
do.
listen. This is kind of a business 101 thing we want to deal with, and the thing that spurred it for me is I saw this leading advertisement on YouTube where a guy said that he made $20,000
Over the weekend with the CNC?
with the CNC,
Yeah, okay.
which inside me I want to scream.
Yeah, I didn't.
That's not
Yeah,
happening.
you haven't made that much yet with yours.
No, no.
You keep giving stuff away though.
Yeah,
you
I
gotta
do.
sell it.
Yeah, but anyway, so we wanted to talk about the things you need to be thinking about if you are really considering using your CNC to make a living.
So we'll call it P100 because it's not even 101. P100 Introduction to Business.
Okay, that's why you're not in marketing.
Okay.
Wow.
All right, so the first one is product.
Yes, I mean you got to start with a product. What
You
is
gotta
that
have
thing you're gonna, And the best thing about a product, and sometimes people stumble into this,
Right.
is it's got to be a product that people want to build. So it can't be something that you like just because you happen to like it.
Although sometimes you like CNCs and you build them and it works
Well,
out really
or
well.
sometimes you like a certain kind of a plaque or a certain kind of a flag.
Yeah, some
or
of
whatever.
our customers kind of stumble into this, right? They'll make
Right.
one for their mom, their sister, and their sister's friend wants one, so they
Yep.
sell them that one, and pretty
Yep.
soon, they're making them, and holy cow, I can make a little money
Yeah,
with this. to
and
buy
that's a
some
good
tools.
thing.
Yeah, so you got to have a product,
So you got a product.
and then you really have to have some passion about that
Oh,
product.
we're already the two P's.
Two Ps, yeah.
And I can tell, well, we both had this experience,
Oh,
but
yeah.
I had mine, I don't know, maybe about 10, 15 years ago. I was trying to, I was working in retail at the time.
Okay.
And thought that there's got to be a better way to make a living. And I like doing woodworking. And
He's
I
pretty good at woodworking too.
sometimes.
No,
Well,
okay,
anyway,
anyway, right, go on.
yeah, you wouldn't buy my stuff, I pretty much guarantee it. But my daughter doesn't know better, and she was remodeling her kitchen, and she said, Dad, could you build me some cabinets? Well, I built cabinets, and I built desks, and I built bookcases.
That's a product.
Stuff like that.
That's
I
a
thought,
passion.
Well, yeah, and it is
Yeah.
kind of a passion.
That's
and I
two
thought,
Ps.
yeah, and I got some tools, and
Yeah.
I get an excuse to buy more.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah. So
Make
I-
some money
I
building
was-
cabinets. Yeah.
And I'd already started on the marketing thing of this cabinet company
Okay,
and what I
cool,
was gonna
yeah.
do. So, anyway, I built an entire kitchen of maple cabinets for my daughter.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
nice, yeah.
Yeah, she liked them, which was really amazing. But in the process of doing this, because there were like 1, 2, 3, corner, 4, I don't know, maybe about
A lot
10
of-
base cabinets.
cabinets, yeah.
Oh yeah, and uppers. And by the time I got done, I realized
You had no passion.
I didn't have any. I like woodworking, but I like it a little at a time.
Okay.
I couldn't do it
Yeah.
all the time.
Well, that would kind
Right.
of lead to your next P, which would
Which
be
is what?
production.
Oh yeah, that's where I don't shine.
Yeah, so if you're making, let's just say a sign for somebody,
Right.
and it's for somebody that you love or you like a lot, right?
So what are you making me?
Yeah, okay, well,
Nothing.
you got yours already. So you cut it out, and you're sanding it,
Yeah.
and you're painting it, and you look at it again, and you paint it some more,
You
and
know
you give
what
it
I'm
to
making?
them.
I'm making a clock.
Okay, who
I'll
you
bet
make
you
a clock
won't. I don't know.
for? You may pay him some stuff.
Yes, I did.
Actually,
I like her.
I'm not much into woodworking, so whenever I need a woodworking project, I got my best friend. He's a
That's-
pew. You made the pew.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean you've done a lot
You
of
get-
stuff for Pam.
Yeah,
Thank
but
you.
not-
I appreciate that.
Sure you
Just
do.
wanted to say that
Okay,
in
but anyway,
public.
we were
Okay,
talking
so you
about
have
the process.
Yeah, so you have now all of a sudden, if you're in business, you don't get to do this and do that. You really need to set up a flow. So you got the cutting out station, the sanding station, the painting station, and the
Right.
packaging station.
Right.
Ooh, an extra P, and I didn't even think about it. Right, so you have all of these things, and now all of a sudden it's no longer getting to make one for that person you love, but It's not that you're spitting them out because they need to have quality, right? So
Right.
you have to have quality control and all of a sudden it becomes a lot bigger than just making one. And you have to start thinking about machine time, paint time, how much does this stuff cost,
Right.
and all the other things. So yeah, it can take your passion and go, ugh. Or in some cases, it can take your passion and go, man, look at this. It's not just a product, but I have a production line. I have a business, right?
Well, the thing that I love about what we do is I love business.
Yeah.
And I like it even more than woodworking.
Yeah. See, I like designing
The designing part,
and
yeah.
stuff. And the business is cool, but it's just the outlet of my passion.
So it's not just, you've got this neat plaque or this neat flag or this whatever it is you're
Yeah,
going to
whatever it
build,
is, yeah.
but there's all
CNC
these.
machine. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I really like my CNC machine. I feel like I just ran after a squirrel and that train of thought just went, whoo,
I'm sorry.
that's okay. We're missing a piece.
No, we're not missing a P.
Okay.
The very final P, which you would be really, really like into because
Yeah.
you're the marketing guy,
Oh.
is promoting.
Yes.
Or, was that promoting?
No, promotion.
Promotion.
We'd have
Okay.
to be boxing.
Okay, all
I'm
right.
not a promoter.
Okay.
Okay,
Promotion.
yeah.
So it doesn't do you any good to
Well, you
have
gotta
passion. Well, you gotta have customers.
You
yeah.
gotta have sales channels.
Yeah.
Because how are you gonna sell these? I mean, after you,
Sales channels.
well, I mean, after you have, sold all your family
Yeah.
and all their family
Well,
and all their
for
family,
me, when I first started, I also worked with people and they were helping me out.
you don't work with people anymore.
No, they're all animals. Anyway, but all my friends at work would buy
What
more.
friends?
Well, they're not anymore.
Yeah.
But so it was family and friends that would buy
Yes.
your stuff and help you promote stuff.
Right.
But eventually, somebody else would buy it.
Right.
A friend of a friend, maybe,
Yes.
or something like that. So
I mean, when you're looking at promoting, and
Yeah.
obviously the guy that's doing $20,000 every weekend on his CNC.
he's pretty good at promoting something.
Yeah, I don't want to be unfair because he might actually.
Yeah,
be
he
doing
may
it.
be good at
And
this,
then we
yeah.
need to have him here tell us. How
I
to
need
do it.
another marketing guy.
Yeah,
to get
well,
me
he can
20,
have
yeah.
my job.
Yeah, okay.
All right,
Yeah.
but are you going to use Facebook,
Facebook, Amazon, eBay, Etsy,
Etsy?
Instagram,
Instagram.
Yeah. What
Yeah.
else? TikTok.
Twitter. You could do TikTok.
You got to be young. if
Where's
you're doing
that
it.
voice coming from?
I don't know. That's
I mean, I asked nothing. Boom! I didn't. I didn't think he sounded like that. Wow. Okay.
well.
So
I'm not taking that from her. Yeah, forget it. Anyway, either way, the bottom line is you have to figure out how you're going to let people know what you have.
Yes.
And it's not instantaneous. You can't put something out there, on Etsy, let's say, and then all of a sudden sales just start coming in. You have to stick with it.
it is not a matter of build it and they will come. Of course, if you're listening to voices in a cornfield, maybe it is. Okay. But by and large, a lot of guys are disappointed.
This is in cornfield. What are you trying to say?
You don't live in Iowa anymore.
Okay, yeah. Well, he told me to come here. That's where I am.
Okay. All right. There was
Anyway,
the train.
Sorry, all right. So that was, how many
Yeah.
P's did we have? Did we get them all?
Yeah, I think so.
So you need to have passion.
Yeah.
You gotta have a product
Yeah,
that you
have
got
product
passionate
first.
about. And then you really gotta think about the production process.
Right.
And then you gotta promote it.
Like crazy.
You gotta get people to understand that it's
That's
there
right.
and what you offer, so.
And you want to sit down and count the cost because these things don't come
Yeah,
cheap.
it would have been horrible if you would have gotten all the cabinetry tools that you needed.
Holy
and
moly.
then realized that, ooh, I don't really wanna do this.
No,
Yeah,
yeah.
it would be bad, yeah.
But they take you a lot.
Or maybe it isn't.
Don't tell Kathy.
Okay.
Well, anyway, till next time, guys, if you got any questions about CNCs, woodworking,
Yeah, ask that guy that does 20,000 a week, don't ask us, yeah.
till next time, we'll see you.
Bye, guys.